Hey, I'm Stupid Archer, and I decided to make a video today about string puffs to dampen the sound of your bow, to get rid of the hand shock, and just to have a better sounding bow. String puffs on a traditional bow is, in my opinion, must have, and you gotta try to make them. Don't you go out and buy them. They cost like 15 bucks. Don't be crazy and spend like 10 bucks. You can get for 10 bucks, you can get like years and years worth of wool to make them by yourself in all different colors to fit it to your bow and to make designs completely as you please and make as many as you want for all of your strings. So don't be crazy, don't buy them. It's just simple, really simple. You need wool, 2 nails, and a little bit of string material or string serving material, and that's it. There is nothing what you need except those 3 things: wool, 2 nails, and a little bit of string material. Could be a tooth floss, fishing thread, or whatever. Doesn't matter. I will be using the string serving material. Okay? And you need a vise, because I will show you what I do with a vise. So, as you can see, I have a vise here. I have a vise, completely normal vise. You don't need it. You can stick those 2 nails in one normal wooden board. Stick them in, maybe a couple of inches apart, and that will be the same effect as this, what I'm going to do. I do it on a vise because it's here. Make it real tight, and you have 2 nails. This will be your jig for the string puffs. I will be making 2 different color or 2 colored puff today. This will be yellow and brown. My wife has a black bow with a brown quiver and yellow arrows and brown strings, so I will follow the design of her bow, and I will make yellow and brown puffs. So you take both of the pieces and you tie a little simple knot on this side, and after that just go 10 times around. If you make a single color, you make 20. And now we have the double the strains, and I will do 1, take a sharp knife, cut the end off, and make a simple knot again and tie it on this side. That's what you should look on the start. After this part is done, I'll just take some serving material. I will tie it on with a simple knot right in the middle. Make it real tight, that the individual strands, after we cut it, that individual strands cannot move. And go under and do the same thing again. That's it. And you're left with a little bow, little bundle of wool, and you have 2 pieces of serving for fixating it then. Repeat the whole process for the second one, exactly the same. So after you have done and you have 1 pair of these little bastards, then take your string. This will be 2nd pair on this bow, because I think the 2 bigger ones and 2 little ones towards the tips looks extremely good, and it's not much of a different sound or whatever. It just looks great on it all together on the bow. You will see after that. So you go up to the jig. You just put your string apart, twist the string, and insert the bundle in between the 2 colors. If you have a Flemish string with 2 different colors, it will be easier. So you put it into the string and do the same for the second one. When you have both of them on, make sure that they're more or less on the same distance from the end of your string, and time to string your bow. So after I'm done, I put always the bow into the vise, just for simple reason of being more comfortable to work with. Lower one mounted, upper one mounted. And now it's time to tie them light on. Those simple knots. I go a couple of times through the loop just for a safe measure. Make a little loop. Trim the excess. Make sure your bow is sitting tightly. So, and after that, you need somewhat sharp scissors. So I have those surgical or first aid kit scissors. I like to use those for all of the leather and wool stuff because they cut like through the butter, and you just cut those little loops. Cut the loops. This will fray out. Now it's time to trim them. I decided to make them a little bit smaller, so I will take a little piece off. Piece of here. And I'll take a little same amount off of here. This will be on the start not completely accurate, but after shooting a couple of times you will get a little ball, and then you can trim again to your liking, that they stay round and pretty. So that'll be wool puff number one. I will do the second one, and then I will shoot a couple of arrows, and you will see how they will fray out, and I will trim them, and you will see the finished product. I got interrupted. I needed to take care of this little buddy. He's mad. So I will continue making string puff, just that we take care of him. Probably somebody will pick him up. So after a couple of shots, you can see the string puffs are getting their beautiful shape, and they complement the bow design, the quiver design, and hopefully my wife will like it. This is her bow. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.